Welcome back to my channel, everybody. We are going to San Antonio, Texas. If you watched the title, we are going over there for my fiance's tech school graduation, which is in San Antonio. I cannot wait. So that is where we are heading now. My flight begins at 10 o'clock. 10 o'clock. So we're on our way because, as you know, we live in Rhode Island and we go to the Boston airport because it's so much better. Got my mom here with me. She's driving me there. And yeah, I will see you guys when I get to the airport.
Cause I need peace of mind to help me grow through these trying times. Catacombs hold the hope for better tomorrows, that steady dime. I'm singing though they clipped my wings, jump from the cage and started climbing. Icarus, you lucky bastard, your descent was better than the hell that I'm in. Phoenix that I am though, of course I started uprising. Leeching off you maggots never seem appetizing. Shit, cause I need.
Alright you guys, so I just got to San Antonio. As you can see, I got my baggage. So now I'm just going to go pick up my rental car. And I will see you guys. I don't even know what kind of car I'm getting, but we'll see. I will show you guys the car once I get it. Alright you guys, so I just got inside the car rental place. But let me tell you how good God is. I tried the first time, it didn't even go through. So I'm like, what's going on? Because I know all my cars are good. I know everything's fine, my credit is fine. So I'm like, you know what, let me go to the side. I prayed about it, you guys, everything went fine. She's like, your car is upstairs, go to the 4th floor, you're fine. So that goes to say, when you're going through hard times, you guys, I'm telling you, prayer is so needed. All you gotta do is pray and things will work its way out, I'm telling you. So right now, I'm upstairs trying to get my car. I don't even know where the hell to go. She said 4th floor. There ain't no 4th floor. Am I bugging? Maybe I'm bugging. Guys, I'm so happy. You see, I'm sweating. It is hot. I did not expect it to be, you guys, I wore this jacket and I'm like, all right, I know it's gonna be a little warm, so let me put a tank top on just in case. I'm so glad I did because holy camole, I am burning up. And you know, I got the sunglasses to be all bougie and whatnot, but I'm not even paying attention. And this goes to say, you guys, if you are under 25 years old, you can rent a car. If you are traveling, you don't have to pay for Ubers and Lyfts. Like, get your own car, sis. You got it. Hopping in the LVZ right now. You guys, I'm so happy because it seemed like it wasn't even gonna work out. Like, I was praying to God this whole trip, like, Lord, please don't let anything go wrong. Ooh, I look like a milk dud, bruh. I'm like, please don't let anything go wrong because this trip is so important to me. Like, this is the first time I've gotten a break. It's my fiance's, you know, graduation. So I just wanted everything to go smoothly, and which it did. So you guys, I'm so happy. So I'm gonna pick up the car now, and I don't even know what kind of car I'm getting. So I'll stay tuned with you guys when I see the car. All right, you guys, I got the keys, you know the vibes. So like I was telling you guys, they were supposed to give me a regular car, but look what they gave me. I'm so happy. Ooh, she fine, she fire. So they gave me this nice car. So you guys, I'm telling you, you can rent a car if you are 20 years old or older. All I have to do is check into the hotel and we're gonna see what they have, what amenities they have. You guys, I did not expect Texas to be this hot. It is like 95 degrees. I mean, of course, Texas gets hot, but like, do you see this? We outside.
Hold on.
Yeah.
Hello?
Where you at?
Where we at? Oh, you want to know where I'm at? We outside!
I mean, I'm living my best life right now. So I will stay tuned with you guys and I will let you guys know when I get inside the hotel. All right, you guys, so I am in the hotel. As you can see, this hotel is so much bigger than what I thought it was. Let me show you guys, give you guys a little room tour. This big king size bed, this nice chair, this view. The view's not all that, but it's okay because I can see my car from here. Then there's me, of course, the TV, the basic appliances, you know, microwave. And then we come in here. The bathroom's a little small, but I'm not mad at it. 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 I gotta put you guys on. They offer free margaritas, free beer from 5:30 to 7. They have a jacuzzi and they also have a pool. So if you guys want to stay, once I leave, I will leave everything in the
But let's go ahead, Tara's chasing those for the vet. They have the pet.
if you guys would like to stay here and you guys are interested, and it wasn't expensive at all. It was probably like $300 for 3 nights, 4 days. That's not bad at all. Me being 22, I'm gonna have myself a little margarita because I deserve it, you guys. If you guys did not know, I'm a CNA and an assisted living, and I work with dementia residents, so sometimes it could be a little draining. I love my residents, but sometimes it can be mentally draining, so just having space to myself, it's like chef's kiss. I do 11 to 7. I went to work at 11 p.m. got out at 7:10 because I had a meeting, and then I came straight home, changed, went to the airport, and it's now at least 4:30 p.m. and I have not gotten any sleep really. Got a little bit of sleep on the plane, but it wasn't anything crazy. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take you guys downstairs. We're gonna get something to eat, come back upstairs. I might edit a little bit, and we're gonna take the day from there. You guys, when I came, I was wearing sneakers. Absolutely not. It is 95 degrees here in Texas, so we're pulling out the sandals. The crusty tusty toes are gonna be out today, and I'm gonna put this over because I think it's so cute. I got this from Burlington. If you don't already, follow me on Instagram. It is Elyasha Yasmin, same thing as my Instagram channel, and I will show you guys love back. Just comment YouTube, comment something related to the video, and I will follow you back and give you something, so stay tuned. God, you guys, I forgot to do my toes. It's giving crusty. I did my hair. If you guys want the deets on this and you guys want to see how I install my lace fronts, let me know, because your girl has mastered it after like 4 years. Obviously you guys probably already know this, but this is for anyone that is traveling alone like me, especially if you are a woman. I just want to say, be careful, pay attention to your surroundings, because you never know who's watching you. There's a lot of crazy stories that we see online, and a lot of those are regular women just going on vacation by themselves, trying to have a good time. But I really want to emphasize that it's so important to be safe. So if you are traveling by yourself, be aware of your surroundings, be aware of your room number. For me personally, I'm very specific with, like, if someone's walking by my room, I won't come out my room. Or if I see that someone is like hanging around my room, I'll act like I'm in a different room compared to the room that they're standing in front of, because you don't know people's motives, you guys. Me as a Christian, I always think of people in the light that God thinks of them, but at the same time, people are dangerous, and you can't just be naive to people's evilness, you know? So it's a little tip. If you guys are traveling by yourself, please be careful. Please be aware of what's around you. Know your location. Know what's near you. If you're in a different country or in a different state like me, know who you can call. Share your location with people that you love, because you never know what can happen. So with that being said, I'm going to share my location with my fiance and my mother, so they know where I am at all times. With that being said, I'm gonna go downstairs, get something to eat, grub, and I'm gonna bring you guys with me like I said. So let's see what they have. They better have something good, because if they don't have nothing good, you guys, I'm definitely gonna go to Shake and Crab, because I've been craving seafood. I don't know if you guys seen in my last Q&A that I did. I'll link it up here somewhere, but that seafood was the best seafood I ever had, and that was here in Texas. Let's see what they have. My camera said it's out of storage, so I'm just gonna show you guys from my phone. So I'll place you guys here. This is giving ghetto, but you know what? We gotta work with what we got. I got a vodka cranberry because your girl's of age. Yeah, okay. All right, free food. I got salad, mashed potatoes with gravy, and some meatballs. That's not bad. I hope you guys like this video of me traveling. I'm gonna show you guys what I'm gonna be doing the next day. So stay tuned. Make sure you follow me on Instagram, and make sure you stay tuned for more videos. And of course, I will see you guys in the next video. Love you, bye.